And welcome everybody to this Prepcomms UK video. Today down at the Chapel of St Peter on the Wall in Bradwell, Essex, where we're going to test out the BCB Firedragon folding stove. Nice little piece of countryside down on the coast. You get a good view across to Jaywick and Clacton and across to Tollesbury as well. Quite a historical area. The Romans were here, and the church itself, or the chapel, is the oldest Christian church in England. So let's wander along the beach and find a nice place to have a brew. He's a good looking fella. And an even better looking rucksack, the Berghaus Arrow 30 in green. Got that one from Go Outdoors. This is the Stanley Adventure cook set. Comes with a couple of nesting cups, which I haven't brought with me today. But I wanted the storage inside for the BCB Firedragon. And here it is. It's quite solidly made. It's a folding stove, which works on fuel gel blocks, which are also made by BCB. It doesn't come with the blocks, you have to buy those separately, but they're only a few pounds for a pack of 6. Inside you'll find this little separator, and you clip that onto one of the sides of the stove, and it stops the whole thing collapsing if you put a weighty kettle on top. The blocks themselves are a bit squidgy, and you need to take them out of the packaging to drop them in the middle. And the best thing to do when you're filming one-handed is not to over-open the stove. Crafty little look at my ICOM radio. Right, let's get this bad boy open, shall we? Again, not the easiest thing to do one-handed. I shall have to get myself a decent camera that I can stick on my head. But here we are, gel block in situ. Let's get it lit and get this brew on the go. Nice and easy to light. Getting the turbo flame lighter to get it lit. You can use a fire steel for this as well, it will catch. Bubbling away nicely there. So this is the point where you do need to put that separator at the back. Once you put the kettle on top, if it's too heavy, the whole thing would collapse without it. Let's get the lid on, keep some of the heat in, get the water to heat up quicker. The mug on the right there was bought off Amazon for about £10. It's made by Tatonka, and it's made of stainless steel. And what I really like about it is the cook set nestles inside it really well. And I put it in one of those molly pouches that you get for bottles, and it all fits in there really nicely. Now, unfortunately, on this occasion, because I had too much water in the kettle, one block wasn't enough to get the water heated up, so we're going to have to go for a second one. And here we go again. Okay. bubbling away nicely there. So this is my new favourite. It's a Cadbury's fudge flavoured chocolate, which it doesn't mix up that well in the water, but it tastes absolutely glorious. Now the only thing missing, of course, is to have something nice to eat to go with it. There's the radio again. It's a VHF UHF made by ICOM, works on FM and D-Star, which is a digital mode, and it's a highly recommended radio. I really like it. And the water is just about hot enough on 2 blocks. The thing I've noticed about this stove is that you're going to be okay heating up water with it, but if you're going to use it for cooking, I think you might struggle. Give it a good stir to get it all mixed in. It didn't mix in that well with the water. Now, whether that's because the water wasn't too hot, I don't know. But it still tastes absolutely fantastic. But I need to have some food. The mini savoury eggs will do for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please do join us on Facebook, Illuminati Bushcraft.